Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove SIM card and SD card from your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to the left side of our phone and see here a hole. In this hole, you have to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring SIM ejector tool. This is SIM ejector tool. Just insert here and push down into the hole and SIM tray will be coming out. Just take it out from your phone. This is the SIM tray. Just take it out from your phone and keep your phone aside. And here you are seeing one SIM card inserted. Okay, just put like this and SIM card will be coming out from your phone. And now your SIM tray will be free from SIM card. If you have already inserted SD card, that will be available here, and you have to remove SD card by placing SIM tray like this, and SD card will be removed. I don't have any SD card, so it's not available here. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove SIM card and SD card, and then you have to bring back your phone and you have to insert SIM tray into your phone safely like this. And yes, finished. So in this way you can easily remove SIM card and SD card from your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.